Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now that the 4.5 is pretty much complete, just got to bleed the brakes and we're off to the races with that one. Next thing up is the 380SL. Some of you may know I've got a 83 380SL with about 78,000 miles on it. Really nice bodywork, done a fair bit of work. I'll go over that in a future video. But what brings it down is some tears in the front seats, and before I sell it, I want to put new seat covers on. And so I think you open a car door up and you see tears on the seats, it kind of brings it down a notch, you know, even though the rest of the car is very strong. I opted to buy new leather seat covers for the front, headrests, armrests, you know, seat and back. So the back boards are in good shape, so we don't need to do that. So what I'm going to do is an unboxing video. This is from German Auto Tops. I think they're a Southern California based company, and I'll go over the cost and everything at the end of the video, but let me bring you in close and we'll just open it together and see what we got in the box. Okay, let's take a look, have a look. Be very careful opening the box. I want to cut anything, so I'll lift that lid up. You can smell the leather. Right, what have we got here? Obviously Palomino is the colour. As I say, this is the 380SL. I'm assuming it's the same for the 450SL and all the other models, 560, etc. So, okay, it's all got a nice pleating, just like 6-stripe pleats. That is one of the backs, obviously. Oh, it smells lovely. It's all sewn in the back there. That's that guy. Got headrest, leather headrest. All the various folding pieces to lock it all on there. We've got one armrest. Zippered backside here for easy fitment. I must admit, my wife is actually off camera listening to me, so she's laughing. Another headrest. I tell you, it smells lovely actually. It really smells good. Yes, very nice. I'll get it all unpacked and I'll give you some close-up shots of it. Oh, so actually, I'm telling a lie, they're the seats. These are the backs, because they have the extra support on the side here. And a fold around for the back. That's that. And the final one. So let me get the lighting a little better, and I'll give you a close-up so you can look at the patterning and as much detail as possible. So let me get you close in. There we go. I got a lot of light on here, poured a lot of light in so you can see the texture and everything. And I can tell you, I keep saying it, but the smell coming out of the box is lovely. That's going to make the interior of the car smell so nice. On the back here, you can see it's all foam here, inserts into these sleeves. I'm not going to shoot a video of me fitting these because a gentleman, I can't think of his name now, but he did a video, a really nice comprehensive video with German Auto Top seats as well, fitting to a 450SL, and I think actually the same colour. But anyway, I will put a link in the description below to show you that video, because there's no point in me shooting another video because he did a great job of that. So as I say, here's the armrest, zipper on the back there, and then these pieces obviously for locking it all on. Obviously we've got to make some cuts in these for, you know, the lever to put the seat forward and the headrest. So I'm going to review that guy's video very thoroughly to make sure that we get all that lined up. But I'm very, very, very happy with this. I mean, and the turnaround time, I think I ordered this about, I think about 6-7 days ago. So can't be much more than a week, if that, you know. And yeah, very impressed. And I do believe German Auto Tops is in California, but I'll put any more details in the description below to if you need that information. Apparently also there are different piping options as well. The gentleman that fitted them to his SL had a contrasting piping colour. I'm not sure what colour now, it's been a little while since I saw it. So that's another option. So just giving you a close-up so you can see all the finished stitching and the way it's finished. There's that tuck-in cardboard piece that I think from memory goes in a channel inside the frame. And let's just... Then also this one as well. This goes in a channel in the lower portion of the frame of the seat. One more thing before I go. I've packed them all up now. I didn't tell you how much they cost. For the whole kit, excluding the rear boards, landed was about $1,045 with shipping. So it came to $9.98 or something like that. So I think that's very reasonable myself, really, for what you get and what it will do for the overall visual impact of the interior of the car. So stay tuned for when I get this fitted. I'm going to review the video so I know what's involved again and get it all fitted in the SL. And then what I intend doing is giving the car full detail out and shooting a really comprehensive video all about the car, because as you know I'm selling it. It's a nice 83 380 SL with 78,000 miles on it, and it runs sweet as a nut. So I've gone really right the way through it. It's so smooth that sometimes when I was driving it I thought it had stalled, but it doesn't. It ticks over at around 500 RPM once everything's warmed up. Really, really nice. And a lot of things I've gone through the whole car, made sure it's as really roadworthy, and I've driven it about 3,000 miles or so in the last year or so while this one was laid up, and to make sure everything was bedded in and working well. So I'll do a comprehensive video on that in the coming few weeks after these are fitted, and so stay tuned for that. Hope mosquitoes around here. So have a good evening, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.